Stocks making the biggest moves midday: Swan Defence, M&M, Coforge, Bharat Electronics, and more. A sharp stock correction has raised questions, but a global brokerage believes the business momentum remains far stronger than the market reaction suggests. IT stocks on a roll. Tech stocks across the board, from large caps like Infosys and TCS, to mid-caps like Cofoge, are seeing a smart rally. In fact, the Nifty IT Index is up over 3%, led by the likes of Coforge, HCL Technologies, and Infosys. In fact, the IT stocks had been battered by over 20% so far this year on worries about AI-led disruption. However, most brokerage houses believe that the AI-led sell-off was overdone. Auto stocks surge. The auto sector has also seen brisk buying in today's trade. The Nifty Auto Index is up over 2%, and independent counters like M&M and Tata Motors have seen a smart up move. Leading brokerage house Nomura has upgraded the target price for M&M and sees room for almost 49% upside. This has also added to the optimism in the sector. Swan Defence and Heavy Industries. Swan Defence and Heavy Industries share price fell 5% by midday. The stock hit its lower circuit after the company approved a promoter stake sale through the offer for sale route. The filing confirmed that Hazel Infra Limited, a promoter entity, received approval to offload up to 2638,747 equity shares. Urban Company. Urban Company's share price surged about 15.43% by midday. The sharp move followed bulk deal activity, where SBI Mutual Fund increased its stake in the company. The fund acquired a significant number of shares across exchanges at an average price near Rs 109.8 per share, taking an additional exposure of roughly 4%. Bharat Electronics. Bharat Electronics Limited share price gained about 1.57% by midday. The defense PSU reported fresh orders worth Rs 1,011 crore since its last disclosure in February. The list of contracts is long and not ornamental: communication equipment, radar warning systems, fire control systems, electro-optic devices, jammers, software solutions, and more. The company has been steadily building its order book through the quarter. Earlier disclosures included orders worth Rs 733 crore, Rs 581 crore and Rs 610 crore across January and February. Varun Beverages. Varun Beverages share price rose about 2.12% by midday. The company announced that its South African subsidiary, Bevco, will acquire Crickley Dairy Proprietary for Rs 131.47 crore. The deal involves a full equity acquisition from Clark Holdings. Godrej Properties. Godrej Properties share price gained about 1.5% by midday. The company acquired a nearly 20-acre land parcel in East Bengaluru, with plans to develop a premium residential project carrying an estimated revenue potential of around Rs 1,350 crore. The location, near NH 648 within the Whitefield corridor, is not incidental. D Development Engineers. D Development Engineers share price dropped about 8.72% by midday. The company pointed to disruptions caused by the West Asia conflict, which have started to affect export orders to customers in the region. That alone would have been enough to unsettle sentiment, but there was more. The firm also indicated that the invocation of the Essential Commodities Act, 1955, would impact supplies to certain domestic clients in the near term. GMDC and NMDC. GMDC share price was up about 1.94%, while NMDC share price gained around 0.26% by midday. The two companies signed an agreement to explore collaboration in the rare earth elements segment, covering exploration, mining, processing and downstream manufacturing. CleanMax Enviro Energy. CleanMax Enviro Energy Solutions share price gained about 1.22% by midday. The company reported net profit of Rs 21.17 crore for the December quarter, compared with a net loss of Rs 4.31 crore a year earlier. Revenue from operations rose 13% to Rs 422.45 crore. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.